For some reason, when we turn to Ratchet, you like to stick your tongue out. Why is that? Oh, Brawndo's a good kitty. Does it make you gag? Brawndo. What about if I put it in reverse?
Hey, stop it for a moment. And he's not doing it. Are you doing it in reverse?
Hey, kitty. Let's try it the other. I think you like it the other way. Brawndo.
Not quite as much.
Why do you do that? Why do you do? Oh, you're grooming yourself, Brawndo. It's the Ratchet that makes cats gag. Doesn't affect any of the other kitty cats.
Maybe Snowball.
I'll stop now. Okay? Hey.
Let's see the offending Ratchet. That's it.